Another production line down at the worst possible time? Equipment failure during a critical run, spoiled inventory, failed audits, surprise FDA violations. In the food and beverage industry, 1 hour of downtime can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. And it's not just about money, it's about compliance, safety, and your reputation. The reality? Most food and beverage operations are drowning in reactive maintenance. You're constantly putting out fires instead of preventing them. Paper checklists get lost. Critical PM schedules are missed. When the auditor shows up, you're scrambling to prove compliance. And your team? They're juggling spreadsheets, sticky notes, and endless phone calls just to track a single work order. That's exactly why leading food and beverage companies are switching to eWork orders, the CMMS built specifically for high-stakes production environments. eWork orders gives you complete control over maintenance operations, from temperature-sensitive storage to production line equipment. Everything in one mobile-friendly platform that your entire team can access anywhere, anytime. Our AI-powered features do the heavy lifting for you. Need help setting up your system? Our AI assistant guides you through implementation. Struggling to create preventative maintenance schedules? AI analyzes your equipment and generates optimized PM schedules to meet the requirements for HACCP, FDA, and SQF. Overwhelmed with work orders? AI intelligently assigns the right technician to the right job based on skills, availability, and location. No technical expertise needed. No lengthy training. Just smart automation that works. With eWork orders, you get real-time work order management that eliminates communication breakdowns. Automated preventative maintenance that stops problems before they start. Digital compliance checklists that keep you audit-ready 24/7. Complete asset history at your fingertips. Every repair, every inspection, every certification. Mobile access for your entire team, whether they're on the production floor or in the field. And instant reporting for audits, management, and continuous improvement. Most teams are fully operational in less than a week. No complicated IT requirements, no bloated features you'll never use. Just the tools you actually need to run efficient, compliant operations. Here's the bottom line. Every day without a proper CMMS system is costing you money, putting you at risk, and burning out your team. But you don't have to figure this out alone. Contact us today to discuss your specific needs. We'll show you exactly how eWork orders works in your environment with a free, no-pressure demonstration tailored to your operation. Let's turn your maintenance chaos into smooth, predictable operations. Visit eWorkOrders.com or call 888-333-4617 to schedule your free demo. Stop reacting. Start preventing. Make maintenance your competitive advantage.